My name is Robert Smith and I am a farm animal practitioner in South East Wales and a director of Iechyd Da, the veterinary delivery partner for TB for South Wales. Within Iechyd Da, I chair the working group for responsible antimicrobial use and hence my involvement in this new project, Arwain DGC. One of the principal aims of the overall project is to explore the relationship between antimicrobial use and antimicrobial resistance on Welsh livestock farms, and also to promote responsible medicine use. As part of this, Iechyd Da, in collaboration with the Wales Veterinary Science Centre in Aberystwyth, will be piloting different systems of collecting syndromic surveillance data from veterinary practices in Wales. These practices will cover the different geographical areas and work with the different livestock systems that we have here. The aim of this work stream is to assess the practicality of collecting this data in real-world situations with a view to creating a workable national scheme.